Once it's time to change the battery on this ATV, if you buy yourself it takes 5 minutes. If you buy yourself and you're trying to take a video of it, that's probably gonna take like 15 minutes. But if you have your kid next to you asking questions and everything, that's probably gonna take a half an hour then. The battery is located right under the gas tank, and first remove the rubber strap and the plastic cover off of the old battery, clean it up a little bit, and first disconnect the red positive cable from it.
What's so cool at?
Battery. It's a big battery.
So you have an extra battery?
Yeah, I bought it.
It's that far.
See, it's the same color like the ATV. See?
I see from the other side. Wow, that's a big battery. It's this thing, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It fell down. I'll get it. Where did I put it? The batteries. Can I put it right next to the box? In your supply?
Hold it, hold it.
Okay. This is so cool. You gotta tighten it up, don't you? I'll cut it tight. Isn't it hard to do it like with one hand?
Mm-hmm. Well, it's not easy, that's for sure.
Pretty close. I was always so interested. There's another one you have to screw in.
Yep.
I'll try to hold it. Am I close? Whew. We are getting close, Daddy. Come on, Daddy, you can do this. Daddy, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go check on Mommy and stuff, okay? Okay? So I can't move anywhere while you're fixing. While I have found how much joy this brings me. Suck it!
Holding the phone in one hand and trying to record with the other one makes this way more harder than it should be.
It went down. It went. Ah! Ugh. This is sick. I think I know where it went. There you are. Got it. There you go. And there's also another piece of junk under here. Got it. Daddy, there's something else under here.
One.
This.
Can't see.
This. Do you see where my glove is? Ah!
Huh?
It's on the floor. It's super tiny. It's leaves. Stick. This. Like that. Like that.
Well,
Next for some. Oh,
Okay, I don't need it anymore.
okay. I'm gonna drive around.
And before I forget, first on a new battery connect the red positive cable and then the black cable after that, and just reverse everything else, put the plastic cover on and the rubber strap, and you're all done after that. Start the truck and make sure it runs nice and got the good voltage, and that's all.